Hi and welcome back, and we're continuing today with our introduction, I suppose, to chemical reactions and stoichiometry as part of our new module called quantitative chemistry. So when we talk about quantitative chemistry, we're talking about the numbers involved in the chemical reaction. So qualitative is where we might be talking about a gas was given off, it changed color and so forth. There are all those qualitative ways of describing what has happened, but now we're moving to the quantitative. So this is a real application of maths in our chemistry. So this is one aspect, I suppose, where you can say, well, where's maths useful to me? It's useful right here. So what we're going to look at today is the law of conservation of mass. Now, you would remember this from when you were in year 7, perhaps, but certainly in year 9 and year 10, we talked about the law of conservation of mass when we were studying our chemical reactions. And you may recall that the conservation, or the law of conservation of mass, says that matter can't be created nor destroyed, but it's merely changed from one form to another. So what that means that we're actually, or what's occurring in that reaction, is that any of the atoms in the reactants are rearranging and reforming in the form of products, but no atoms are actually lost or gained. They've just been rearranged in that process. So when we talk about a chemical reaction, a lot of new things will happen. So we will get new substances being produced if a chemical reaction does occur. But with that, we're not getting any of new atoms or those new products. So this can be shown in a chemical equation. For example, AB being our one set of reactants plus CD. And what's occurring is we are having a change. We're getting a new product. So AD plus BC. So what we can see here is we've got one reactant, another reactant, and we are forming totally new products just here, but there has been no loss or gain of the atoms in that reaction. So they need to stay the same to ensure that we're following and obeying that law of conservation of mass. So what I'm going to ask you to do is write a method for one of the experiments that are in your booklet, and then we will also follow that with a chemical reaction and a prac called the mass in chemical reactions. See you next lesson. Bye.